Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something straightforward but important: how to cancel your Rakuten account. Whether you're switching to a different shopping platform, simplifying your online life, or just reevaluating your subscriptions, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and I'll make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rakuten account on a device with internet access. If you can't remember your password, use the "Forgot Password" option to reset it. That way, you won't get stuck right at the start. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the screen. Look for a section labeled "Account Management" or something similar. That's where the magic happens. Next, scroll down until you see an option for "Close Account" or "Cancel Membership." Rakuten might ask you why you're leaving. It's optional, but providing feedback can help them improve. Now, carefully review any details on the page, like outstanding balances or active orders. If you have any pending rewards or cashback, make sure to redeem them first, as they might be lost upon cancellation. Hit the "Confirm Cancellation" button, and you may need to enter your password again for security. Rakuten will likely send a confirmation email to your registered address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Click the link in the email to finalize everything. And just like that, you're done. Your account should be closed within a few business days. Remember, if you change your mind, you might have a short window to reactivate it, so double check before you proceed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and how-to guides. See you next time.